Halloween is the perfect time to make a bold statement, and nothing captures attention like an oversized yard display. When you think big, your space becomes a scene of imagination, suspense, and excitement. Today, we'll explore how oversized Halloween yard setups can transform your outdoors into a dramatic and unforgettable experience. We'll break this down into three simple approaches: creating bold focal points, layering elements for depth and story, and adding finishing touches that complete the atmosphere. With these ideas, your oversized yard will feel alive with the energy of Halloween. Scale is the secret ingredient. Oversized elements instantly capture attention and create impact. When your decorations stretch beyond the ordinary, your yard transforms from simple to striking, giving a sense of grandeur and excitement. Going big makes the space feel immersive and memorable. Once you establish a larger-than-life presence, everything else naturally builds around it, creating harmony and flow throughout your yard. Do you prefer Halloween displays that feel mysterious, dramatic, or playful? Share your favorite approach in the comments. With the main focal points in place, layering is the next step. Layers create depth, movement, and immersion. By mixing different scales, distances, and placements, your yard tells a story instead of simply showing decorations. This approach guides the eye and encourages viewers to explore. Each layer adds intrigue, making your yard a dynamic and engaging experience for everyone who walks by. If these oversized Halloween yard ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love going big for spooky season. The final layer is all about subtle finishing touches. These details enhance the atmosphere and add personality without overpowering the space. They create harmony, making the entire setup feel polished and intentional. Finishing touches are often what people remember most. They make your yard feel immersive, thoughtfully arranged, and truly unforgettable. For more bold and creative Halloween decorating inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more festive ideas. And just like that, your oversized Halloween yard is ready to impress. With bold focal points, layered atmosphere, and thoughtful finishing touches, you've created a space that feels alive with suspense, excitement, and seasonal energy. Oversized displays aren't just visual, they're an experience. May your Halloween nights be filled with awe, curiosity, and unforgettable moments. Here's to creating outdoor spaces that captivate, inspire, and bring the spirit of the season to life.